Next, we have the Collect Review option here. These are some very important settings, which will help us manage all the new reviews of our store. First up, we have the Manage Review option. Here, you can decide if you want to auto-publish new reviews. For now, I only want to auto-publish the 5-star reviews, so I've selected that option. Next, if you want to get the review notification, simply enter the email here, and then it will send you a notification whenever someone leaves a review on your site. Next, we have Review Request Timing. We already set it to 7 days during the setup process, but if you want, you can enable this option and then set different time for domestic and international orders. Next, we have Discount for photo and video reviews. If you remember correctly, we've already set a 10% discount for this part. Next, we have the Custom Questions option. Here, you can ask some custom questions from your customers when they'll give the review. This will allow you to gather more data about your customers. But for now, I am not going to add anything here. Let's move to the email settings. Here, you'll find different email options. These are some pre-made emails which will be sent to your customers, requesting for the product review. You can even select any of these emails and then customize it as per your need. I personally don't like to make changes in this, as these emails are perfectly crafted and works perfectly fine. Alright, our Loox review setup is finally complete now. And our store is ready to collect reviews from the customers. Before I show you how it actually works, let's have a look at some other features of the Loox review app. First up, we have the referral feature here, which will turn your loyal customers into your brand advocate. If you go to the Referrals option on the left, you'll see some advanced options. First of all, there is a two-sided incentive, or a one-sided incentive option here. In my experience, the two-side incentive works better, but it's important to set this with caution. We had already set it during the setup process, but make sure to keep your product pricing and the profits in mind when you set up the referral feature. Next, we have the Referral Widget option. Here, you'll see the on-site referral and the post-purchase referral widget. I personally like to turn this off as it is not as effective as the post-purchase widget. Lastly, we have the referral settings here. Here, you'll see all the important settings which will prevent any fraudulent activity in your store. Make sure to enable all 4 options here. Next, we have the social media image. Here, you can add your own social media image if you want to. But for now, I will keep it as it is. Lastly, we have the referral emails here. Just like we have the pre-made emails for reviews, we also have different emails for referrals. You can go through these emails and customize it if you want to, but I personally like these emails, so I won't make changes to it. We can also preview the sample emails by clicking on this View Sample button. Alright, that's everything about the referral feature of Loox app.